Hello everybody, I'm Alvise, and today I have the pleasure to announce something we've been building for a while now. Novamira Pro is launching in beta. It's powered by Novamira, our free and open source WordPress plugin that gives your AI agent full access to WordPress through MCP. Free and Pro install on the same site. Free gives your agent the core access, and Pro adds a specialized layer for Elementor, for Bricks, and a memory that carries over between sessions. The whole point is to save you tokens and minutes on the kind of work you do every day. And now I'll show you 4 quick demos of what it looks like in practice. This is an Elementor page my agent built from a single sentence. A hero, features, a 3-tier pricing block, and a FAQ. I didn't drag anything, I didn't pick a template, I just asked for it. And every element is an atomic widget. The layout holds and the styles are coherent. But let me rewind and show you how it got there. It all starts with this prompt where I ask to build a new Elementor page with hero, features, pricing, and FAQ. So the agent reaches for one of the Pro Tools that we wrote for Elementor, and it has a look at the site, understands what's already there, and then it builds the page structure. This is the page, and from here I can edit it like any other page. The structure is clean version 4 atomic widget, and it's basically just a normal Elementor page now. The next one instead is the job that probably most of us have been postponing, that is migrating an old version 3 page to version 4 atomic widget. Pro ships a tool for exactly this. We just need to ask to convert a page from version 3 to version 4 atomic widgets. The agent goes through the page widget by widget, maps each one to its atomic equivalent, moves the global system over to variables, and checks the result against the version 4 schema. And this is the final result. Same page, but a different engine. Some things might still need a manual pass, but the bulk of the migration is done. One tip when you run this kind of conversion, pair Novamira with a browser control MCP like Chrome DevTools, Playwright or Puppeteer. That way your agent can actually open both pages, compare them and catch some visual differences before you review. Obviously, I always look at the result myself before publishing, but the boring part at least is done. And now we can proceed to the third demo. Create a custom atomic widget. Building a custom atomic widget in Elementor means wiring up controls, style variants, the version 4 schema, and the registration boilerplate. The kind of job where even experienced Elementor devs lose an afternoon. Pro ships a tool that scaffolds the whole thing. The agent generates the PHP class, defines the controls, sets up the style variants, validates against the version 4 schema, and registers the widget so it shows up in the editor panel. And from here, it's a normal widget you can extend, restyle, or ship to a client. If you work in Bricks, Pro has the same kind of tool for you. I can ask to build a Bricks landing page with hero, features, and pricing. The agent reads how Bricks stores templates and elements, then builds the page inside the editor the way Bricks expects it. And this is the build page that I can keep refining inside Bricks normally. And finally, the last feature that works regardless of which builder or plugin you use. Pro adds a project memory for your site. The agent can save what's worth remembering, for example, brand colors, fonts, or convention you mentioned in passing, and checks back for it in future sessions. You can also tell it what to save or ask it to consult the memory before starting. A week later, a new session, a new prompt, but the agent already has the context, so there's no need for rebriefing. A lot of you have probably already tried asking your AI to build a page in Elementor or Bricks using Novamira Free. Free gives the agent everything it needs to reach WordPress, but without expert guidance on how these builders actually work under the hood, the agent tends to wander, retry a lot, and what comes out often needs to be rebuilt by hand anyway. That's the real gap Pro feels. Each Pro tool encodes the right sequence of steps for a specific job, so the agent follows a tested path instead of planning one from scratch. The output lands clean, valid widgets, coherent styles and structures. As a side effect, you also save a lot of tokens and time. Fewer round trips to the builder, fewer retries when things go sideways, less context window burn on each request. But the main reason to run Pro is that you get a result that you can actually ship. Only one thing to keep in mind, Novamira is for development and staging, not production, so always keep your backups. So that's Novamira Pro as of today, Elementor, Bricks and memory between sessions. It's currently in beta with launch pricing. This is the first release, but more integrations are on the way. And if you want to know more, you can find everything at novamira.ai. Bye!